This crash looks bad, but you'd actually be safer than you think. Much in part thanks to a key missing component: an engine. And it's one of the many features that makes Tesla's Model 3 sedan ultra safe in crashes. This test is called a frontal offset test. And this car? Tesla's much anticipated Model 3. It's an all-electric plug-in, meaning that the front compartment doesn't have an engine like a normal combustion car would. Instead, all the empty steel and aluminum at the front of the car crumples, drawing the shock of the crash away from the occupants. Look at this footage of the cabin. The passengers are entirely unscathed. In fact, in this test conducted by safety experts Euro NCAP, the dummies representing the driver and passenger were green across the body.